Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Mr. Martinez. Today is Friday, January 31st, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. A very happy birthday to Katia de Paz, Dorelli Gonzalez on Saturday, Sunday, Yaelin Chan, Sean Marshall, and on Monday, because we will not be in school, Steven Argueta, Luis Garcia, Aileen Lozano, and Mitchell Sanchez. Happy birthday. Our value and culture focus for today, Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Idea 22 says have a book with you at all times. For announcements, all scholars should now have a new ID. Do not lose it. Today is Friday. Go to your homeroom for academic block. At this time, take a look at your uniform. Make sure that your shirt is tucked in, you have a belt, and you have black shoes on. Make sure that you are wearing an idea jacket. If you have lost your jacket, make sure to look in the lost and found. Attending, you have tests today, 3rd, 4th, 5th ELA and math exam, 5th grade science, and then big announcement, today is the Winter Wonderland Dance. It is put together by 2nd and 5th grade. Make sure that you plan to attend. We look forward to seeing you out there. The weather for today is 59-degree high, 41-degree low. Make sure that you have your jacket when you're outside. For our attendance challenge, remember you must be here every day in order to qualify for the raffle. Make sure your parents bring you to school every day. Attendance raffle is today. If you are here every day this week, you will have free dress on Tuesday. Make sure that we see you here and ready. Some details for the Winter Wonderland Dance. It'll take place today from 5 to 7 p.m. Please join us for a night of dancing and family fun. The cost is $1 to get in, and tickets will be sold at the door for food. We will have nachos, hot chocolate, and drinks for sale. The first 100 students will receive a free Kona ice snow cone. We can't wait to see you there. You have a chance to win for the Runberg re-registration, the orange letters that have been handed out. The first homeroom in each grade level to reach 100% wins a pizza party. The first grade level per school to 100% wins free dress and ice cream party. Next week, February, will be Black History Month. Students and teachers, please come up with ideas for decorating bulletin boards, door decorating. If you have any ideas, students, please talk with your teachers about how you would like to celebrate Black History Month. Please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a fantastic Friday. Remember, the choice is yours. Now, Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, for completing a spectacular C&P audit, we have a special surprise for you today. Be on the lookout. Thank you.